Well, it's our second rainy day, and Olga could use those booties. Ones they gave us at the Mevlana Museum. Heading to the Archaeological Museum. We went by it the other day, and today we're gonna see if we get there.
Yeah, if we find it. I have no idea where we are.
Olga says I'm a relic.
Yeah. Thanks.
We found it, that's the good news. The bad news is I forgot my wallet. Give him the blurb.
I'm not talking. Yep.
Olga's taking a vow of silence. We're out on a walkabout. I left without my wallet.
There.
It's cold.
Right there. You left without your wallet.
Hi, kids.
Pause.
Yeah.
Take that in.
It's cold and rainy, and she said her feet are
The first
cold.
thing, my cold feet are cold. Ever. Yeah.
I said, this is why I like to have a waterproof jacket. And she said, why? So you can leave it at a coffee shop?
Yeah. Which he did with this last one. Yeah. I do better in tropics.
So our plan now is to go back and have a hot coffee.
Right.
This is the school.
Watch your step.
It's college?
Yeah.
College? Okay. Anyway, we explored a new section of town. It'll be a hot tea and coffee day. And we've got 2 English channels, well, 1 English channel that's news, recycled news, and we have a horse racing channel. At least we can understand what's going on. No complaints, just the experience. We use the immersion heater to make hot water. We've got hot coffee, and Olga's warm and cozy. Now it's some TV time. Rumi said, and I noted yesterday, that you will not find me in my tomb, but rather in the hearts of the Sufis.